Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see in this session Bugzilla most common interview question and answers. Bugzilla is a very small tool as a tester's point of view where we are going to use. So what is Bugzilla? Bugzilla is defined as a bug tracking system that was originally developed and used by the Mozilla project. It was released by open source software and was adopted by many organizations for the purpose of bug tracking system. So the major purpose is bug tracking purpose because advantage here it is a free tool, not to pay any amount, open source. We can customize the Bugzilla as per our requirements. Name few of the components of Bugzilla. The components of Bugzilla includes administration and general assembling. All of the documentation is one component here. So incoming and outgoing emails, bug list, and everything related to it, reporting and managing the generating reports, every detailed aspects of the user account and its management from a user's perspective, user interfaces and the issues related to it. These are the different components where we have. What are the reports in Bugzilla? Every reporting tool, generally reports are going to be created. Here also a lot of reports going to be created. So like to analyze the what is the yes Bugzilla is a defect management protocol. Hence reports are actually a piece of defect or work which are utilized to analyze the current state of the bug. One of the essential motives of defect report is to analyze the behavior, communication and the stage of the defect which is occurring at any of the stages in the life cycle. How will you identify a bug in Bugzilla? The significant feature of Bugzilla is that page which displays entire details of a bug. You have the bug listed page. So once you open the page, once you log in, you are going to get the bug to find the similar bugs are available or not. Just give some information, click on that. They are going to get all the bug details. You can view it is. All the details going to provides. Name some of the fields of Bugzilla. Component, platform, operating system, URL, summary, description, attachment, like this some fields going to provide to you. Mention about the graphical reports in Bugzilla. A group of line, a bar of or pie charts is referred to be as a graphical reports. They are very helpful in order to perform a number of functions. For example, if any of the users want to know about the component which has the maximum number of defects and want to represent it in a graph, then they collect it from the options like severity as on the x-axis, component on y-axis. Can you explain the working of Bugzilla? Bugzilla workflow, how it is going to be? Working of Bugzilla majorly perform the following. It tracks the bugs and code changes. It can communicate with the fellow mates, project members to go and fellow mates. It can efficiently submit the patches. It can review. It can manage quality assurance. Can you present an elaborative description of Bugzilla? It is a defect management tool which allows the development and modifications, which is significant on web interface. It is an open source tool which allows the testing in order to figure out the defects. It also supports defect tracking system or bug tracking system. Suppose if I ask you to create a user account in Bugzilla, how will you do it is? So generally, how you can create it is user account. Bugzilla administrator has to create it is. You create the user account, Bugzilla I would perform. So instead of saying this all things, you can say that Bugzilla administrator you can create. Administrator point of view, how it is going to create a given. Hmm. Mention the systems that are required for the deployment of Bugzilla. MySQL is required, that is sufficient, minimum configuration sufficient for this. So Bugzilla developed using Perl. MySQL they used. Bugzilla is written in which language? There is a Perl. When it is 1998, it is developed. Perl language. Latest version of Bugzilla is 5.1.2. Do you think this there is any difference between the quality center bug? A lot of change. Quality center project management. There is application lifecycle management. It is only bug reporting tool. It is okay. What according to you are the essential features of Bugzilla? Database is advantage security. So dependency graphing, email, XML, HTTP, and console. These things are most significant features we have in the Bugzilla. So main thing you can say free tool it is, but Jira is more popular one compared to the Bugzilla. So editing we can do it is but best feature which they given in the Bugzilla. In Bugzilla, what is the editing procedure? What is the dependency trailing in the Bugzilla according to you? In Bugzilla, the dependency tree link highlights the dependent relationships of the bug. It is characterized in a tree-like structure, and a user can easily change the depth in order to either show or hide the resolved bug from the page. Can you mention about the page footer in Bugzilla? However, the user can store a number of queries on the server, and in case someone runs regularly, it would just be a drop-down menu away. What do you understand by watching users functionality? So user to watch text entry box right after the enter the email and when names of the user, which are the line by commerce, one can watch the bugs of other users. So who can watch it is information it is. Just watch my Bugzilla tutorial so that you can simultaneously you can see the questions. It makes easy to understand it is. Okay. Can I tell you something about the clone bug feature in Bugzilla? There is a duplicate copy of the bug it is. To work, multiple developers need to work on the same bug means like this clone is going to be created. Right. The Bugzilla. So it is a small tool it is for the defect tracking purpose only we can use. So that's it. I'm not much focused on this Bugzilla. So a small 1, 2, 3 pages we have where we are going to work. If you see the Bugzilla tutorial, you are going to get that idea, right? So these are the questions from the Bugzilla what they can ask in case. Okay, thank you. So subscribe my channel.